Today, we will discuss 14 items that I will never clean out or discard during the decluttering process. These items represent personal mistakes I have made in the past when giving away or throwing them out, and I later regretted it. I hope this list will be helpful to you, helping you avoid similar mistakes during your own decluttering process. While I am very pleased with my current tidy living space, I still wish I had had this list from the beginning to avoid unnecessary mistakes and regrets. Let's start with the first item. If you feel uneasy about getting rid of an item, don't force yourself to do it immediately. Take the time to understand why this decision is causing you discomfort. I've experienced this feeling many times, and my solution has been to place the item in another room or a hidden corner so I don't have to think about it anymore. After a while, you might feel ready to part with it. If not, you'll be okay with keeping it without feeling pressured to declutter. It's important to listen to your emotions and not rush through the process. Avoid decluttering items that belong to others without their permission, no matter how reasonable it may seem. When you're deep into the decluttering process and are tempted to get rid of items you deem unnecessary, it's easy to make the mistake of interfering with other people's things. We've developed methods to assist each other with decluttering while avoiding conflict. Before deciding to declutter something, I usually ask the person if they still use the item, or I set it aside and let them sort it out themselves. After a few months, if the item hasn't been reclaimed, we review it together and decide whether to discard it. This approach helps us maintain family harmony while still achieving effective decluttering. In today's world, it is crucial to store and safeguard important documents to ensure you can access and use them whenever needed. Here are some types of documents that you should never throw away: identification and legal documents. Personal identification. Documents like your ID card, passport, birth certificate, marriage certificate, and household registration are essential for various administrative and legal procedures. Your ID card and passport verify your identity, while your birth certificate and marriage certificate serve as proof of family relationships and marital status. The household registration confirms your family's place of residence. Make sure these documents are securely stored and easily accessible when required. Financial and property documents. Insurance contracts, property deeds, savings books, and employment contracts are crucial for managing your assets and work-related matters. Insurance contracts protect you from unforeseen risks, while property deeds prove your ownership of real estate. Savings books help you track your assets and interest rates, and employment contracts outline your benefits and responsibilities at work. Properly storing these documents helps you manage your finances efficiently and safeguard your rights. Invoices and tax documents. Keep invoices and tax documents for at least a few years to facilitate audits or financial reviews. Purchase receipts and service invoices help you track spending and manage your budget, while tax documents are necessary for verifying financial information and ensuring compliance with legal regulations. By carefully preserving these important documents, you not only manage your personal information effectively, but also stay prepared for unexpected legal and financial situations. This approach provides peace of mind and control over your life. Instead of discarding old reading glasses or prescription glasses you no longer use, consider donating them to charitable organizations. These glasses can offer a new lease on life to others, helping them see more clearly and enhancing their quality of life. Your donation could be used in optical missions worldwide, bringing joy and making a meaningful difference for those in need. If you're no longer interested in caring for your indoor plants, don't rush to throw them away. Consider gifting them to friends, family, or neighbors. These green companions can bring joy and vitality to someone else's home. Alternatively, you might relocate them outdoors, giving them a fresh chance to thrive and bask in the sunshine. Furniture made from quality materials not only adds aesthetic value, but also stands the test of time. Rather than discarding it, think about selling it or donating it to an auction. Such pieces can find a new home where they will continue to be appreciated and used. This not only helps you save space, but might also provide you with some extra income. A small but essential item for maintaining order is a key holder. It helps prevent losing your keys and keeps everything organized. Instead of throwing it away, find a dedicated spot for it in your home. A good key holder not only serves a practical function, but can also be a stylish addition to your decor. Family and friend photos are not just images. They are precious treasures of cherished memories. Each photo tells a story, capturing moments of joy and happiness that allow you to reminisce about significant times. Don't be quick to discard these photographs. Take the time to organize them into albums or display them on your walls so you can see and feel the love and connection from your loved ones every day. Memorabilia consists of irreplaceable items that hold deep emotional value. These could be gifts from dear ones or objects that have accompanied you through various stages of life. Such items are more than just possessions. They are companions that remind you of genuine feelings and beautiful memories. Instead of discarding them, keep them in a safe place so they remain with you as a heartfelt part of your life. Your favorite books are more than just pages. They are companions on your journey of discovery and emotion. They offer inspiration, joy, and sometimes even comfort. The stories and knowledge contained within these books have the power to transform your life, opening up new perspectives and enriching your soul. Therefore, don't rush to discard them. Keep those books you frequently revisit so they can continue to inspire and enhance your inner world. Study materials such as textbooks, research documents, and notes are invaluable resources that support your learning and professional development. These documents may contain crucial information and insights, helping you review knowledge or tackle complex problems. Instead of discarding them carelessly, take the time to organize and store these valuable resources. This way, you can easily access them when needed and continue to learn and grow. Medications, including prescription drugs and supplements, are essential for managing health and treating various conditions. Discarding medications without proper consideration can lead to serious consequences, especially in emergencies when you might need them. Store your medications in a safe, easily accessible place and regularly check their expiration dates. Dispose of expired medications following proper guidelines to ensure safety and avoid any potential hazards. Exercise equipment such as dumbbells, jump ropes, and yoga mats are crucial for maintaining physical fitness and encouraging a healthy, active lifestyle. These items, while not occupying much space, offer significant benefits to your overall health and well-being. Instead of discarding them when not in use, consider repurposing or donating them to those in need. Regular use of exercise equipment will help you maintain a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Tech accessories such as charging cables, headphones, and external hard drives are vital for maintaining and enhancing the performance of your electronic devices. These items not only facilitate daily tasks, but also provide entertainment and keep you connected with the world. Before discarding them, consider whether they still hold value. Instead of tossing them, organize them neatly for easy access when needed. Alternatively, you might also donate them if you no longer require them, ensuring they continue to be useful to others. Software and service subscriptions you have purchased or registered are valuable digital assets. They not only support your work, but also offer numerous conveniences and enjoyable experiences in your daily life. Make sure to keep track of login information and license keys for these programs and services. Proper management of these accounts and software will save you both time and money, ensuring you retain access to the tools and features you've invested in. Food storage containers and reusable cloth bags are practical choices. that not only help you save money, but also significantly reduce daily household waste. Glass or BPA-free plastic containers are ideal for storing food safely and conveniently, and they can be used repeatedly. Reusable cloth bags, in contrast to single-use plastic bags, are durable and reflect your commitment to environmental preservation. Investing in these items contributes to a more sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. Decorative items, on the other hand, add warmth and personalization to your living space. From framed art and ceramics to charming decorative lights, these pieces enhance your home's aesthetic and carry personal significance. They do more than just beautify your space. They tell a story and showcase your tastes and personality. Don't hesitate to keep these cherished decorations, as they provide long-lasting value and bring joy and comfort every time you enter your home. Avoid throwing away items crucial for your work or personal hobbies, even if they aren't used frequently. Tools and materials for professional tasks, such as documents, specialized equipment, or office supplies, may not see daily use, but are essential for completing significant projects. Similarly, hobby-related items like paintbrushes, cameras, or musical instruments play a key role in pursuing and nurturing your passions. Discarding these items can be inconvenient and costly if you need to repurchase them later. Ensure you have a well-organized storage space to keep these important items, so you're always ready and comfortable when you need them. Functional items like clothes drying racks, laundry baskets, and kitchen tools are more than just everyday objects. They are integral to making daily life easier and more convenient. A clothes drying rack saves space and time for drying and collecting clothes, while a laundry basket helps organize and transport dirty clothes neatly. Kitchen appliances like blenders, ovens, and high-quality cutlery not only make cooking more efficient, but also add joy and creativity to meal preparation. Keeping these items ensures that your home remains orderly and functional,